Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, one of the most diverse and unique destinations in the world. In this video, we'll be providing you with a comprehensive guide to traveling to the Amazon rainforest, including what to pack, where to stay, and what activities to do. 1. Planning your trip. Before traveling to the Amazon rainforest, it's important to plan your trip carefully. You'll need to decide on the best time to travel, research the different regions of the rainforest, and obtain any necessary vaccinations or travel documents. 2. What to pack. When packing for your trip to the Amazon rainforest, it's important to pack for both comfort and protection. You'll need to bring lightweight, breathable clothing that covers your skin, as well as an insect repellent, sunscreen, and a hat. You'll also need to bring any necessary medications, a waterproof camera, and a good pair of hiking boots. 3. Where to stay. There are many options for accommodations in the Amazon rainforest, from camping and lodges to luxury eco-resorts. Depending on your budget and preferences, you can choose to stay in a more rustic setting or a luxurious one. 4. What to do. The Amazon rainforest is full of amazing experiences and activities to do. You can take a guided hike through the rainforest to see its unique flora and fauna. Go on a boat ride to see the river dolphins and caimans, or visit a local indigenous village to learn about their culture and way of life. 5. Getting around. The Amazon rainforest is a vast region that covers multiple countries, including Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. To get around, you'll likely need to take a combination of flights, boats, and buses. There are also many guided tours available that can take care of transportation for you. 6. Language and culture. The Amazon rainforest is home to many different indigenous groups, each with its own language and culture. It's important to be respectful of these communities and their way of life. Learning a few words of the local language and researching the culture can help you to better understand and appreciate the region. 7. Safety. While the Amazon rainforest is generally safe for tourists, there are some potential dangers to be aware of. This includes venomous snakes and spiders, as well as dangerous currents in the river. It's important to follow the guidance of your guide or host and avoid any activities that could be risky. 8. Food and drink. The Amazon rainforest is home to a variety of unique and delicious foods, such as fresh fruits, grilled fish, and cassava bread. It's important to drink only bottled water and avoid ice and salads to prevent stomach illnesses. 9. Environmental impact. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most important ecosystems in the world, providing vital services such as regulating the global climate and supporting biodiversity. When traveling to the region, it's important to minimize your impact on the environment by following sustainable tourism practices, such as using biodegradable products and avoiding single-use plastics. You can also support conservation efforts by visiting protected areas and supporting local organizations that work to protect the rainforest. 10 Tips for traveling in the Amazon rainforest. When traveling in the Amazon rainforest, it's important to be respectful of the environment and the local culture. You should also be aware of any potential dangers, such as poisonous plants and animals, and follow the guidance of your guide or host. The Amazon rainforest is a unique and unforgettable travel destination that offers an immersive experience into the natural world. With careful planning and preparation, you can enjoy a safe and enjoyable trip to this incredible region. So start planning your trip to the Amazon rainforest today and experience the adventure of a lifetime.